Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to create water ripples in Blender. Let's start our video. Select everything and press delete to delete all items on the Blender area. Go to add menu and from mesh select plane. Press S and drag to increase the area of the plane. Change the mode to edit mode. Right click and select subdivide. And from the subdivide menu, increase the number of cuts to 10. Right click again and press subdivide and increase the number of cuts to 10. Return the mode again to object mode. And now go to add menu and from mesh select UV sphere. Change the segments to 64 and right click on it to shade smooth. Select the sphere and move it up to the plane. Now select the plane and go to physics properties and select dynamic paint. Go down and change the type to canvas. Press add canvas and go down again and change the surface to waves. Now select the sphere and go to physics properties and select dynamic paint. Change the type to brush and add brush. Now we will create the animation of the sphere over the plane. While you are selecting the sphere, go to object properties and go to timeline and select the first frame and activate the animate property. Again, at the timeline, go to 60 frame and move the sphere to another position and activate the animation property to add keyframe. Again, go to frame 120 and change the position of the sphere. Repeat what we are doing at frame 180, then repeat the same steps at keyframe 240. At last, play the animation and here it is. If you are with us with this part of our video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.